level BOSEP from B.Ed to C. As the final bell rings on our high school journey, each one of us grade 12 students stands at a critical turning point in our lives. We look ahead with a mix of excitement and worry, wondering which path will lead us to a life that is both secure and meaningful. There are so many career options out there, from business to medicine, from engineering to information technology. But today, I want to share why teaching has been and continues to be the backbone of our nation progress, and why it stands as one of the most worthy choices we can make as a young Filipinos ready to build our futures. In the Philippines, teaching is more than just a job. It is a calling that allows us to touch lives, build communities, and shape the very future of our country. For generations, teachers have been the unsung heroes who work tireless to ensure every Filipino child gets the education they deserve. While some may think teaching is simply about standing in front of a class and writing on a blackboard, the truth is far richer. It is a profession filled with countless benefits, privilege, and opportunities for personal and professional growth. This essay will take an in-depth look at all the reasons why teaching is an excellent choice for us young members of the Filipino workforce. We will explore that financial security it provides, the health benefits that keep us safe and supported, the flexible leave privilege that let balance work and life, the rights that protect us a professional, the retirement benefits that gives a space of mind for our golden years, and the deep sense of purpose that come well with helping others learn and grow. By the end of the guided, I hope you will see why teaching is not just a good career. It is one of the most rewarding paths you can take in life. When we think about our future careers, one of the first questions that comes to mind is whether we will be able to support ourselves and our families. With teaching, this worry can be put to rest. Public school teachers in the Philippines are covered by a structure of compensation system mandated by law, designed to ensure fairness, transparency, and stability for every educator. From the moment you start as a new teacher, your salary is based on a clear grade system that takes into account your qualification and the level you will be teaching. As each year passes and you gain valuable experiences, your salary increases through rigorous step increments. For instance, Teacher 1 will be advanced to Teacher 2 after meeting salary requirements, then to Teacher 3 with each step bringing a meaningful boost to your earnings. This steady growth means you can plan your finances with confidence, knowing exactly how your income will evolve as you progress in your career. The salary scale for teacher is regularly reviewed to keep pace with the needs of Filipino families. In recent years, the government has made significant investment increasing teacher salary, recognizing that will compensated educators and essential building a strong education system. As a result, teaching has become one of the most competitive profession in terms of both starting pay and long-term earning potential. While retirement may seem far away when we are grade 12, it is never too early to think about building a secure future. One of the most remarkable aspects of teaching is the generous retirement package that comes with a job. Once you reach retirement age and complete the requirement years of service, you will receive one range salary raise that forms the basis for calculating both your lump sum retirement pay and your monthly pension. Let me explain this simply. The one range salary increase means your final salary before retirement will be higher than your regular pay grade. This elevated amount is the used to determine how much you will receive when you stop working. The lump sum payment is a substantial amount given at all once, which you can use for major expenses like buying a home, covering medical costs, or starting a small business. The monthly pension, meanwhile, provides a steady income for the rest of your life, like a regular salary that continues even when you are no longer working full time. This retirement system is managed by the Government Service Insurance System or GSIS, ensuring your benefits are safe and secure. Unlike some private sector jobs where retirement benefits depend on company performance, teaching retirement benefits are guaranteed by the government. This means you can look forward to your golden years without worrying about where your income will come from. We all know that prices of food, housing, and other basic necessities rise over time. To ensure a teacher can keep up with these changes, the law provides a cost of living allowances or COLA, extra money added to your basic salary every month. The amount of COLA is not fixed, is recommended annually by the Secretary of Education based on how much prices have increased. Once approved by the President, it is provided to all public school teachers across the country, regardless of where they work, whether you teach in a bustling city like Manila or a town in the province, you receive that same COLA, ensuring your income maintains its value as living costs go up. COLA is paid regularly alongside your salary and considered part of your total compensation. This helps guarantee that your hard work continues to provide for you and your family, no matter how the economy changes. Some schools in the Philippines are located in areas that present unique challenges, mountainous regions, remote islands, or places with limited access to basic services or security concerns. To recognize and compensate for these extra difficulties, the government provides Special Hardship Allowance or SHA. The SHA is at least 25% of your monthly basic salary and in some cases, even more depending on the severity of the conditions. This means if you choose to teach in challenging area, you will earn significantly more than teachers working in more accessible locations. The allowance helps cover extra costs like transportation, housing, and other needs that come with living and working in these communities. But beyond the financial benefit, teaching in these areas give you the chance to make an extraordinary impact. You will be bringing knowledge and opportunity to children who might not otherwise have access to quality education. It is a challenging path, but one that many teachers describe as the most fulfilling part of their careers. The law strictly safeguards teachers' salaries from authorized deductions. Your full salary must be paid in cash or through a readily cashable check. The only deduction allowed are those required law such as taxes and contribution to GSIS, Pag-ibig Fund, and PhilHealth, or those you have specifically requested in writing. For example, if you choose to join the Philippine Public School Teacher Association or PPSTA or another professional organization, You can give permission for your dues to be deducted from your salary. You may also opt to have money set aside for life insurance or saving programs, but no one can take money from your salary without your consent or without following legal procedures. This protection ensures you receive every peso you have earned. You never have to worry about unfair deduction or being paid less than you deserve, giving your peace of mind that your hard work is properly rewarded. Teachers have the fundamental right to form or join professional organization of their choice, both at the local and national level. This organization exists to advance the interests of the teacher and improve the quality of education. That's all. Thank you.